Hello everybody, I thought I would do a quick review, a quick 400-mile review of my Royal Enfield 650 Classic. Obviously I've got the teal colour. What an amazing bike. I think that they're getting quite rare already. Like when I looked on Auto Trader, there wasn't that many teals, but there was many of the red and the blacks. I might be wrong, but yeah, just give my quick review on that. Just done an oil change last night on it, around 11 o'clock. Its first oil change. But I thought I'd show you my bike and my setup and what a head turner it is. I didn't realise how much attention it would get. I had a 350 Classic before, the black and reddy gold one, but it's definitely worth the upgrade if you want more of an everyday bike. I just think it's a work of art. So modifications I've done, which really makes a difference, is, see, I had a loud exhaust on my 350, but this is a bit quieter, but I had to change the originals because, well, everybody does it. I put the V4 Rhino Racing silencers on it, and that's it. That's all the modifications I'm doing. Just gives it a bit more of that classic sort of sound from the 60s, shall we say. Rhino Racing there. V4, I think they were £200 or something. And it just lifts the bike. Got some side racks and rear rack. I just think it looks great, very practical. Obviously the times we're in, we have to carry our locks with us. Or I'm just being overly paranoid, but I am near London, so got a light lock here, the kryptonite one here. And if I'm gonna quickly nab into a shop for like 5 seconds, I'll always at least put this one on. Yeah, I taped it just so to take the yellowness away from it, because I just think it kills the, I know that bit's exposed, but when I zap it on, it hides it, sort of thing. I know it's not the point of it, but it doesn't have to be yellow. Like it's just so it blends when it's on, because these blocks live on the bike, so it just blends in a bit more. I might look to do something here, or if a black one comes out, a black Oxford disc lock, I'll probably buy it. I've done the same with this one as well. That should be yellow. Anyway. Yeah, I've done 355 miles exactly. I done an oil change last night, fairly simple. I had to do the oil filter, well, I've got the sunk guard on, so I bought a guard of mine. They do it for me at the dealership. Never bought anything from brand new from a dealership before, but because this is so special, and I thought I'd treat myself. I took the plunge and bought it. 2 bolts here, and then there's 2 more bolts underneath. And then this will just simply come off, nice and simple. What a difference this makes. It makes it all clean behind here. Like, if you look up here, it's just a bit dirty, but down here, where the sump was and all that, it was spotless. So definitely recommend that. Also, you got that as well. Yeah, I hate when bikes don't have a full mud guard. I used the 10W50 silicone racing Silkaline racing fully synthetic oil. It's like a reddish colour. Yeah, I've done that. I've already run it in, I've ridden it, turned it on, etc. So it's at the right level. So now I can open it up a little bit more. I was always poodling along around 55, 60 miles an hour with the brake-in oil. I'm just being extra cautious there. So yeah, that's the only extra I've got. It's a sump guard and the 3 racks and exhaust. Oh, and I took the reflectors off here, because I just think it just looks naff. Don't need it. I mean, look at the colour of it. So I removed those, deleted those. So yeah, what else can I say about it? Quite a bit, yeah, it's heavier than the 350, but it's not too bad. It's fine. It's definitely worth it. It's such a nice bike. I'll be doing the oil change at around 6,000 miles. Well, they say in the handbook to do it it's 300 miles and 6,000, but I'll probably do it at 5,000, just a little bit lower than the manufacturer's recommendation. What else to talk about? I think that's it really. Great cruiser. Was going down the M4 at 60 miles an hour maximum. It was lovely. Had a lot more give. Got these what are they called? Bungee cords. And also, if you wanted to put a bag here, I've got some more here, so you can just slot something in there and do a proper job there. But yeah, definitely recommend. It's such a lovely bike, such a head turner. And oh, another thing I added was this clock here, where it should be that Navi system that I don't think anyone really uses. I just think it looks ugly, like too much technology. So I added, I put this clock here, installed this clock, and it just looks so much nicer, so much more period there. A bit like a wasp there. So, and these are LEDs now, which at first I thought, takes away a bit of the character. But maybe one day they'll make a halogen version. But I've learnt to grow them. I think it looks all right. Even the rear number plate light is like a bluey white colour. I do have a black and white plate on it. Just looks so much better. So yeah, so take this off, oil filter off, sump plugs under there, drain it all. You have to take the whole guard off to get the old oil filter off. You have to take this bracket off, which they installed at the dealership for this sump. So you have to take that off to crack the oil filter, unless you've got some really cool special tool, which I didn't, so I had to take it off. And I regularly put GT85 on it to spray it for wet riding. GT85 apparently is magic for anti-rust. The chain after 400 miles nearly looks really good. And then just drain it. Drain it from here. And there. And then you just watch the screen how it is. Well, I think that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. And that's my review of the my 650 Classic. Definitely worth those silencers. Just adds a little bit more of a burble, a bit of a deeper sound, rather than that quiety sort of meh sort of sound. All right, thanks for watching.